Menteri Rang Ba Kejela Meghalaya Conrad Kongkal Sangma ha ka arpunyo trek menai luar ulong ba ka jing kedo dan ne ka nomenclature ke bapni ba ka sorkar jela ke pen pai no ke bahak tengka ke bapalat san hajar arspa klur tengka kalong ke babakla shibuan kat kum ke jing pen pau ke office jong comptroller and auditor general CAG. Conrad ulong ba ka judan ka budget estimate ke bapen krek da barok sorkar jela. Nrai kejing penlut kalong de kumwei pat bat de kejing ya per padeng kini la kedo ba de kejing pen pai no bat kam de satya kejing IT no ek pisa ne ya ki skim ulong bahagi snem ke balalet ke sorkar jela ke pen pai hadu 1,000 klur tengka bat wat ke jela Nagaland ke pen pai ar hajar ne lai hajar ne hadu 1,000 klur tengka kat ba ke jela Manipur ke pen pai 1,000 klur tengka ka Telangana ke pen pai sanpupra hajar klur tengka ka Uttar Pradesh ke pen pai khat pra hajar klur tengka bat ke jela Assam kalapan pai lai pa hajar klur tengka. Conrad Kongkal Sangma ulong magade ka kamram jong CAG ban peni yekane habarok ke jela jong kari bat kani kala dep jaru ke jela Meghalaya na dogi snem ke bamanchwa bat kam de ke baja tang menta.
So it's not an actual cash surrender or scheme surrender we make, but a budgetary notional aspect which is there. And the actual expenditure that takes place, the difference between that is what is being referred to out here. In the past years, amounts of 3,000 crores, 4,000 crores, 2,000 crores have been surrendered, if that is a word we'd like to use. States like Nagaland surrendered 3,000 crores, 4,000 crores. Manipur surrendered last year 4,000 crores. Telangana surrendered 38,000 crores. UP surrendered 80,000 crores. So it's a normal procedure and a process that takes place, where the budget is prepared obviously with aspirations, with a lot of calculations that we'll be able to raise taxes and collect the amount, and accordingly budgets are made, and based on that the budget estimates are created. And when the expenditure takes place, the actual expenditure may not reach to that amount, simply because there are times when challenges come in. For example, we had COVID, where we had to lose taxes of almost about 1,200, 1,500 crores. So all these factors add up to it, which lead to the situation where we're not able to spend as was estimated in the budget. So the difference between that is what is being referred to out here. And it happens in every state in the country, and it happens at the national level also.
Ha kawai pat kalyang Menteri Rang Ba ulong baga jingbam shimno ya ketenat korbari ke jela na ba lakmen rumboy walau kwa ban pelat no ya ketenat kade hadian bula pensyong nong rem habarok kilyang ya ke bejah ke jela berkawai. Ulong ba ulapet ya barok kilyang bat kulit kimat bahai kijing kenjo. Nrei kilala bah bantrai kumta don kam ban ai kijing beteng ke rukom trai kam ban pentikna ban la ban tek la kam ginu kam ban penthot ke song suk song san. Ne ban pendunai ginu jingja igiba mla ban tip lupa.
See, we have maintained from day one that different kind of movements have been taking place. And obviously, it is the intelligence network which has been working very aggressively to ensure that we keep a tab on all of this. So therefore, when there are questions that are asked by the press or by public that is there intelligence failure? So in these kind of situations, one doesn't realize that there is a very strong intelligence network, and that's why we're able to catch all of this. That's why the incidents that happened in Tikrikila happened where we're able to pick up people, the way we are able to nab people who are entering with ammunitions in Tura, the way we were able to catch people who have gone for these trainings in different areas. So it is a concern, but the police are doing their job. The intelligence department is doing their job. They are watching and making sure that anybody who's trying to cause any kind of law and order situation will not be left unpunished. So therefore, it's a great work that the police is doing, and we must congratulate their work, but more needs to be done. And as for your primary question of whether it's a matter of concern, that yes, obviously it's a matter of concern. We need to ensure that more and more monitoring needs to be done. But as I said, the police is doing a very good job, and that's the reason why we're able to keep things under control.
Ha kabay day, bat gajing sa priyang ka kubor bagi pulit ki balasong that nga kam kila pa rekasiti chaw para jong ba cheres feel thank you. Badai bandawa na kasorkar ban pa topket ak CBI. Conrad Kongkal Sangma ulong ba upadi I kani gajing tho kumta patla banong AA Yamanta. Habakeli mano ban shimti ka kam Chief Secretary Gejela hadien bu MS Rao shong that no. Conrad Kongkal Sangma ulong ba shen sepen mi no gajing penbena ha kapor ke babiang bad Syam latre apat ban batai ke kerteng jong ni ke beriau ban shimti ya ke kam Chief Secretary.